Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete your draft on Instagram. So if you want to delete your drafts on Instagram, what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon, and after tapping on your profile icon, now you have to tap on the play button which is on the middle, and now you have to tap on that play icon which is on the middle, and after tapping on that play icon you can access your draft, and now you just have to tap on a video or a reel, and after tapping on that it will take you to a page where you can find your videos or your reels which you have saved in your draft. Now what you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icon on the bottom of a video, and after tapping on there you can see you can find a duplicate and a delete option. Now you just have to tap on delete and then tap on delete again. So this is how you can delete a video or a reel from your draft. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.